Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to explain about adding fractions. Let's have a look at this question. 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4, is it equal to 3 over 8? Because some of you might be thinking here 1 and 2 there is a plus sign in between, so we have to add them. Okay, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, then 4 and 4, is it equal to 8? You might be a little confused with this concept. Okay, let's have a quick review of the fractions concept. Here, a circle is taken. This is divided into four equal parts, and I'm shading one out of these four parts. Therefore, this is represented as 1 over 4. Remember, the total number of portions are written in the denominator and the number of portions shaded that goes to the numerator. I'm taking the same circle again. This time I'm shading 1 and 2. Therefore, this is to be represented as 2 over 4. Another one, I'm taking the same circle again. Here 1, second portion is shaded here, and the third portion. Therefore, this is to be represented as 3 over 4. Okay, let's dive into the topic for the day. I'll tell you a pizza story. This weekend, my son and myself decided to have pizza for dinner. I ordered a pizza of my choice of topping, and my son ordered choice of his toppings another pizza. So here I ate three slices out of four slices from my pizza, and my son ate two slices from his pizza. Well, here I want to save the leftover food for the following day. Here we see that one slice is left out of four in my son's, then two slices left out of four. If I combine them, because I don't want to put these two boxes in the refrigerator, the space will be wasted. I want to put them together. So look at the situation. One slice from my box and two slices from my son's box. Then total you see that three slices out of four. Please notice that when I added 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4, 1 and 2, these two are added to get 3 here, whereas the denominator 4 and 4 remains the same. We are not combining them. So let's have a quick look in the beginning of the question. 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4, 1 plus 2 equals to 3, that is absolutely correct. Whereas denominator 4 and 4, we should not combine them, that stays the same. The rules for adding and subtracting fractions are identical. Let's take another example. Simplify 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7. The first step is, before adding or subtracting any fractions, make sure that the denominators are the same. Well, I see that in this question the denominators both are same, which is 7. Then the second step is add or subtract only the numerator. In this question, plus sign is given, therefore we have to add them. In case if there is a minus sign, you may have to subtract. Here when I add 3 and 2, I get 5. And the last step is, remember that the denominators remains the same as in the original fractions. In fact, we discussed the same thing in the previous example. Here the denominator is 7, so I am not changing, I am keeping the same 7 and I am not adding these denominators. Well, you may get doubt what to do if the denominators are different. I'll make another separate video if the denominators of the fractions are different. Keep watching my channel. Thank you.